run the CNC surface milling machine. So come here, here is the job. This is the magnetic chuck. I am showing you how to demagnetize this. If I press this button, it will demagnetize. Now I can open this. Now I can open this. And again I keep this I press. Then now I press the magnet button. Now no one can move this. With this hand I cannot move it. Even if you push it in the hammer, you cannot move it. It is very hard. This is the magnet. Okay. This is the button. This is the button for the turn on the lamp and the off. Okay. And this is the coolant. If I press this, the coolant will go on. Okay. And this is the grinding wheel. If I press this one, the grinding wheel is on. This is the grinding wheel is on. Grinding wheel is on. Okay. Okay, now I just make the machine on. Press the reset button. And now I can open the coolant. You see, the coolant is on. Coolant is on. So if you place the coolant in such way, like it touch the wheel. Okay. Okay, now this is the magnet button, this is the demagnet button, and now we will go to the program. Okay, this is the jog mode and this is the hand wheel. If I press the hand wheel, then I can move this through hand wheel. Okay, X, Y, Z. X is just left and right is X, and the Z, up and down is the Z. Y, just go forward and backwards is the Y. This is the 3 axis. Okay, now I just go to this parameter. I am showing you how to select this. So first of all, I have to change this plane grid mode. Okay, plane grid mode. I select the plane 1. This is the select plane 1, and then I go to plane grid. Okay, the growth grinding is just this will grind a job in the middle, like the grave or the probe. And the green wheel. This button, we can make the wheel dress. Suppose after doing some works, if the wheel is rough, then we can make it dressing. And the plane grid is we can do the job here. Okay, this is the plane 1. So now this is the safe position. Okay, safe position we can keep it anywhere. Like this one is the Z. You see, this is the hand wheel, this is the Z, and this is the 100 speed. And if I move this will go up. Okay, it touch. Okay, now safe position. This safe position I make it pitch in. So this is the safe position, reversible safe position. Okay, now I go to the stop position of the head. Now I make it go down and I change it to X. So it's go left or right. And then I go there again, this way. Just I touch this. After touching this, I make it in the start position and click the teach in. When it says click the teach in, this is the start position. Okay. And there is some other parameters. Green total. This is total green 0.035 millimeter. And the feed is 0.07. That means per cycle it will cut 0.007 millimeter. And this is the fine. This is the rough and this is the fine. Fine will cut total 0.010 millimeter, and each time it will cut 0.002. Bilateral means it will cut in both. Like this is the job. If I set the bilateral, so it will go down that side and go down, that side and go down. This way it will go down and up. Okay. And then this is the start position of Y. Of Y start position, it will just this is the start position. Just I go back to the job corner and I set the start position, and then I come to the end of the job, and this is the Y end position. Just stitch in. It will set the value of here. And then X. I go to the corner. I just go to the right corner of the job. This is the right corner of the job, and I make it teaching. And then I go to the left corner, and then I press the teaching. So we need total 4 parameters: z start, and then y start and y end, and the x start and the x end, and the feed. And there is a feed, force feed, and the fine speed. And the repair, you see repair. If there is a repair, that means that after completing the program, the wheel will race automatically. This is the main program. And now make it pause. This is the set. Bro, isu bro. যাচ্ছি বাড়া দাও বেশি করে দাও দাও ভালো আছে।